Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are living in a world of digital innovations and smart glasses are one of them. In this video, you will see 5 best smart glasses you can buy. Let's get started. This is Bose Frames Audio Sunglasses. Bose Frames feature 2 classic silhouettes with built-in Bose speakers for an immersive audio experience from its miniaturized Bose electronics hidden in the temples. It's a state-of-the-art personal listening experience embedded in a classic design. You hear rich, immersive sound, while others hear practically nothing. Exclusive technologies and custom speakers direct sound at you and away from others. Bose frames are durable with metal hinges, nylon rims, and lenses that won't easily scratch or shatter. It does what it should, and comfortable to wear with nice surrounding sound that lets you keep aware, and perfect to take calls. It's definitely not a hi-fi system nor has a booming bass like an over-the-ear or in-ear, which is reasonable considering its design. Bose frames are forged from materials as modern as their concept. They are meticulously molded for comfort and built to last. You can personalize Bose frames with Bose Connect app, and it is more than shade and definitely worth buying if you are into music. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This Echo frames give you hands-free access to Alexa. You can hear notifications, alerts, turn on compatible smart lights, or call a friend, all without pulling out your phone. Amazon Open Ear technology directs sound to your ears, letting you discreetly access Alexa. With your ears uncovered, you will be able to hear without blocking out the world around you. Echo frames with Alexa can really help you achieve more than ask for news, reminders, or calls. Means you can get directions to the nearest coffee shop, schedule a doctor's appointment, or add a date night to your to-do list. And do it all with your phone in your pocket, or raising your arm for the smartwatch. You can customize Alexa for alerts by using VIP filter to select the app notifications, and contacts from compatible messaging apps you want to hear from, and filter out the rest. Alexa will alert you when new notifications come in, and you just swipe the temple to listen. All notifications are always on your phone. Echo frames are designed to be lightweight and durable for daily use, by using eyewear-grade TR90 carbon fiber and titanium. The temple tips are made of premium acetate, and can be heated and adjusted by an optician for maximum comfort. And Echo frames support Android 8.0 or greater. As far as its battery is concerned, as per company, a single charge delivers a day of intermittent usage at around 60% volume. Intermittent usage includes 40 Alexa interactions, around 45 minutes of music, podcast or other audio playback, around 20 minutes of phone calls, and 90 incoming notifications over a 14-hour period. At the end, battery life will vary depending on device settings, features utilized, environment, and other factors. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Vuzix M100 smart glasses. It offers unprecedented access to information, data, and everything you normally have access from a smartphone. You can achieve a lot with its own display, audio, microphone, Android processor, HD camera, and wireless connectivity. Moreover, receive phone calls, text messages, and even post pictures to social media sites, or even scan barcodes to find products online. Its built-in voice recognition will allow you to operate hands-free for all of your favorite activities and tasks. It has an integrated camera that captures 5-megapixel still images, and 1080p high-definition video. The videos and images captured can be stored directly on the M100's memory, which is expandable up to 32 GB, or streamed live. The M100 is compatible with thousands of existing Android apps, and has easy access to a store dedicated to M100 apps that support a wearable lifestyle. Its Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity makes it easy to pair with other Android devices, or connect wirelessly with Wi-Fi to the Internet. Also, an integrated head tracking and GPS system not only provide apps with your location, but even the direction and angle of your current view for unprecedented situational awareness. It is perfect for outdoor activities, compatible with smartphones, and excellent for cycling. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Epson Moverio BT-300FPV smart glasses. If you own DJI drone, then you will love these smart glasses. These smart glasses redefine first-person view with a transparent display, lightweight and stunning SIOLED projection that makes it easy to view your drone's video feed and key flight statistics while keeping the aircraft in sight. This innovative display delivers real-time footage that doesn't block your view and provides a projection of 80 inches at 5 meters and 320 inches at 20 meters. This helps to ensure a safe and distraction-free flight experience. It has low-latency motion sensors, which enhance virtual field of view, and improved front 5-megapixel camera. It comes with custom clips to securely hold its controller to the DJI remote, a dark lens shade, and the DJI Go app. This controller is powered by Intel Atom X5 processor, has Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, and micro SD card slot. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Spectacles 2, a camera inspired by the human eye, and powered by your imagination. If you love taking photos or making videos while traveling or outdoors, Spectacles 2 is a perfect companion. Just press the button to take an HD photo or video, from your perspective. First time you press to capture video will let you capture a 10-second video, and press it again to keep recording for 10 more seconds, up to 30 seconds total, and hold to take a photo. When your phone is nearby, Spectacles sync wirelessly with Snapchat. There, you can view your favorite memories, or personalize them with creative tools. From the app you can export your favorite moments to your camera roll in whichever format fits best, including circular, widescreen, vertical, square, and more. Then share them on your favorite platform. Spectacles 2 are also waterproof, means they can survive pool parties and snow days, and can even take a photo or video under shallow water. You can capture and sync up to 70 videos on a single charge, and you can recharge up to 4 times in the included charging case. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.